Death by Venn diagrams. Okay, in the interest of space, I am not being proper to say the intersection, I'm just saying and. But everywhere you see an and, understand that that means the intersection or where those sets overlap. Okay, well, to figure out what goes in all of these places, you've got to work your way from the inside out and, as we say, bottoms up. Okay, this 80 tells you that there are 80 people total falling into some of these categories. Okay, and we want to find out how many are in each spot. Let's start with the innermost intersection. There are 5 people in A, B, and C. So we're going to put that 5 right in the center, and we're going to work our way out. Next thing to consider, there are 11 where A and C overlap, but the problem is that you've already included that 5. You don't want to include it again. So right here, we're going to have 11 take away 5. You know what that means. They're going to be 6 right in that spot. Next thing, notice that there are 17 people falling into categories B and C. But beware, you've already included 5 of them, and you can't include them more than once. So right in this spot, we're going to have 17 take away 5. And that 17 take away 5 leaves us with 12. Moving right along, notice that A and B have 12. But you've already included 5, and you can't do it again. So we'll take 12 minus 5 to put 7 where A and B overlap, but not counting the earlier 5. Moving right along. In set C, we have 31. However, we've already counted 12, 5, and 6, and we can't do that again. So to find out how many lie right here, what we're going to do is subtract 31, take away 6, take away 5, take away 12. What difference? It's going to be 8. We find that there are 8 people lying in C who don't also lie in A or B. Next, notice that set B has 40. However, we've already counted 7, 5, and 12 of them. Can't count it again. Take that 40 minus 7 minus 5 minus 12. When we do, we've got 16. 16 people lie in B and don't at the same time lie in A and C. One more to go. Notice that set A has 30. However, we've already counted 7, 5, and 6 and can't do that again. Okay then, so that 30 take away 18 leaves us with 12 in A who are not at the same time in B or C. Okay, well, there is yet one more region to consider, and that is the universe. How many people are included in the survey but don't fall into categories A, B, or C? To find out, we're going to subtract 80 minus all the numbers in all the other spaces. So that's 80 minus 12 minus 7 minus 5 minus 6 minus 16 minus 12 minus 8. Double check it to be sure. The difference is 14. That means there are 14 out there in the universe. Okay, that's the way you do it. Bottoms up.